Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you fix Spotify wrap not showing. So I'm going to show you a few methods on how to fix Spotify not showing up or Spotify wrap not showing up. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to open your Spotify application. Now scroll down here and look for the Spotify wrap banner at the top of the home screen. If you don't see it, then you may find a playlist called Your 2024 Wrap. Now, in case that you can't find your Spotify wrap here, the first thing you should do is to exit your Spotify application and go to your Play Store if you're using Android, App Store if you're using iPhone, and then you need to look for Spotify. So tap the search icon right here and then search for Spotify, and you should not see an update button right here, because if you see an update button right here, that means your Spotify is not yet updated. So you have to click that one in order for you to avoid any lags or in order for you to use the latest version of your Spotify application. So all you have to do is to click update if you see an update button right here. Now, after that, once updated, if you go back to your Spotify, you should see that banner or you should see that Spotify or your 24 wrap. If still you don't see it, then go to your phone settings. This is our second method. Now for Android, you have to scroll down and look for apps. Tap this one. Okay, and then after that, you have to go to your app list, or still tap apps right here, scroll down and look for Spotify, or go to the search icon and then type Spotify right here. Look for storage, tap this one, and then tap this clear cache. It will just remove temporary files. Now go back to your Spotify and see if this method helped. If not, then the very last thing you should do is to simply uninstall, or you need to click this force stop here on your Spotify. So go back to your phone settings, click force stop or uninstall. If you're using iPhone, then click offload, and then go back to your Play Store or your App Store and reinstall Spotify again. After that, open or launch your application and see if you find a playlist called Your 24 Wrap. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.